Seniors, listen carefully. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, opening your eyes and realizing that your vision feels sharper, clearer, and brighter than it has in years. No expensive eye drops, no risky surgeries, no painful treatments. Just one simple change before bedtime. Eating a fruit that's sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. Yes, you heard that correctly. A natural fruit that you can eat before bed may help repair your eyes while you sleep, nourishing your vision, supporting your retina, and protecting you against the common causes of vision decline as we age. Today I'm going to reveal exactly what that fruit is, how it works inside your body, and why doctors and scientists are paying close attention to its eye-healing powers. So if you're over 60, stay with me until the very end, because the difference this knowledge makes in your life could be the difference between fading eyesight and enjoying the beauty of the world with clear, healthy vision. Now, most seniors believe that worsening eyesight is just a normal part of aging. Cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration. These words become too familiar after 60. And yes, age does affect our eyes. But here's the shocking truth. Research shows that up to 80% of age-related vision problems can be slowed down or even prevented with proper nutrition. And that's where our secret fruit comes in. Eating it before bed allows your body to absorb its vision-restoring compounds while you sleep, when your cells are actively repairing themselves. Sleep is when healing happens, and this fruit supercharges that process. So, let's dive in. Section 1. Why vision declines with age. Before I reveal the fruit, let's understand what happens to your eyes as you get older. The lens in your eye becomes less flexible. That's why reading fine print gets harder. The macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision, starts to thin out. That's where macular degeneration comes in. Oxidative stress caused by free radicals damages the delicate cells of your eyes. Think of it like rust slowly eating away at a metal gate. Circulation slows down, meaning less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach your eyes. But here's the good news. Your body is designed to repair itself, especially at night. During sleep, your brain flushes out toxins, your cells regenerate, and your eyes begin the process of recovery. The only thing they need is the right fuel, and that's where this fruit shines. Section 2. The fruit revealed: blueberries. The fruit I'm talking about is blueberries. Yes, those small, sweet, purple-blue berries you've seen at your grocery store or farmer's market. Don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are one of the most powerful eye-healing foods on the planet. Why? Because they're packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are special plant compounds that give blueberries their deep blue color. And more importantly, they protect and repair your eyes. Studies have shown that anthocyanins improve blood flow to the retina, strengthen the tiny capillaries in your eyes, and even help regenerate rhodopsin, the pigment in your eyes that helps you see in low light. That means fewer struggles driving at night or reading under dim lamps. And here's the kicker. When you eat blueberries before bed, your body uses those anthocyanins overnight. During the very hours your eyes are naturally repairing themselves. Section 3. The science behind it. Let me break this down simply. Anthocyanins in blueberries fight oxidative stress. That's the rust in your eyes that leads to cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, keeping your eye tissue strong and flexible. Vitamin K supports healthy blood vessels so your retina gets the nutrients it needs. Manganese helps your body convert nutrients into usable energy for cell repair. And the magic happens during sleep. At night, your body produces more melatonin, a hormone that not only helps you sleep but also works as an antioxidant. When you combine melatonin with blueberry antioxidants, you create a powerful healing environment for your eyes. Section 4. Stories that inspire. Let me share a story. A 72-year-old woman named Margaret from Ohio had been struggling with night vision. Driving became scary. Reading felt exhausting. Her doctor told her she had early macular degeneration. Instead of giving up, she decided to try nutritional support. Every night, she added a small bowl of blueberries to her bedtime routine. 6 months later, she reported that her eyes felt less strained, and her ophthalmologist noted that her macular degeneration had not progressed. In fact, her night vision slightly improved. Now, of course, blueberries aren't a miracle cure, but combined with a healthy lifestyle, they can make a huge difference. Section 5. How to use blueberries before bed. So how can you add this fruit to your bedtime routine? Fresh.